Tech Ninjas here. Hope you're having a good day today. So today we're looking at how to create a project in Asana. So to start with, you're going to open up your Asana account, and then we're going to look to the top left-hand corner where it says create, and there's a little plus icon. So I'm going to click on that, and then I'm going to scroll down and click on project. So this is where you have a few options for your project. You can use one of the templates that are available in Asana. Have a scroll through. There are lots of different ones available. You can also start with a blank project. If you know what you're doing, you can create a project from scratch. You can also use the import button and import data from a spreadsheet and turn that into a project. You can also create a project with AI and just add in prompts and tell AI what type of project you want to create. So just for this tutorial, I'm going to look at one of the templates. So I quite like this content calendar project template. So I'm going to click on that so I can have a look at it. If it looks what I need for my project, I'm going to click on use template. You can give it a name and you can say who can see your project. So if you want it to stay private or if you want everyone in your workspace to see it, you can leave it on my workspace. And then I'm going to click on next. And then it will ask you for start dates and end dates. So you can add in dates. So I'm going to leave it on today's date, calculate end date. I can't add anything on there at the moment. So I'm just going to click on create project. Then I can start editing my content management project. So I can add different tasks on different days. So today it's Friday the 26th. So I might want to add a task for myself later on today. So write article. So I'll put that in, and then I can just keep going ahead. I can add different tasks on different days and things like that. So that's how you create projects in Asana. I hope that was helpful. Please like the video and subscribe. I will see you soon.